funky.
What's poppin', K Crew? I'm back again with another video. Finally, I know I've been off the tube for a really long time, but that's because a girl been busy, and I say that all the time. I've been busy, you know. I gotta get to the bag. Y'all already know. That's the only way I'm gonna keep these videos going, because that's the only way I'm gonna be able to keep investing in new stuff to buy for the videos. Christmas just passed. Did buy me a few things, and that video is coming out soon. I'm gonna do a what I got for Christmas video, and then I'm also gonna be doing a fashion overhaul, a huge fashion overhaul at that. So y'all gonna have some good content. It's coming, you know. I just need some days off, and I need, you know, some time to film and edit. Y'all know the gag or whatever. Today is another cleaning video. I know y'all love my cleaning videos because they just bomb, and I just do it best. This is what I do for living. Like, it's not what I do for living, but this is what I do for most of my living. This is what I have been doing. You know, I be cleaning up and stuff, and I like to rearrange and renovate and all of that. My lips are so chapped. But child, anyway, so I am so hyped. One of my Christmas gifts is on the way. It'll be here tomorrow, Tuesday, November 29th, I believe, because I think today's the 28th. Oh, I'm so excited. So just stay tuned. So I'm gonna be rearranging my room for like the 30th time. I forgot to film the last time I renovated my room, so y'all don't know how I got like this. Probably. Y'all probably don't know how I got like this or whatever. I already started taking some stuff out because I didn't know if I was gonna film or not, but I just made up my mind, and I said, yeah, I'll film. I haven't been on the tube for a long time, so that's the only reason why I said, yeah. I forgot how to be a vlogger. It's really dark in here. It's just the lighting is really bad in here. That's it. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I got going on and how much did I take out my room so far. I really hate the lighting in here, but we're gonna fix that today, hopefully. So this room is really junky, so don't mind it. Those are my new 2 pair of shoes that I have bought recently. You know, I had to gift myself. Anyways, this is my bed. It's on this side of the wall. It used to be on this side, but I changed it to this side. You guys remember. You don't remember because I didn't film it, but oh well. So this vanity right here, I want it placed somewhere else. I want it over there. Right there is where I'm trying to place it. But I don't know if it's going to fit, but we're going to try. And if it doesn't, then we're just going to have to move that TV a little over some more. And everything's going to have to get replaced. But we got this. This room is too junky. We need to fix it because, look, when you come up closer, you see a whole lot of bullshit. You know, it's just too much. Oh, you're not supposed to see my Fashion Nova tag. Yeah, so all of this, it just gotta be like neatened up and everything, and some stuff is gonna be put in the garbage probably. We'll figure it out. And I'm gonna be putting something on the wall as a tapestry my mom got me for Christmas. I really wanted it for a really long time, and she got it. So yeah, this is actually gonna be really fun. For the people that want to see the sneakers, you guys are gonna unfortunately have to wait until I do my what I got for Christmas vlog, because I want everything to be situated, and if I just put it in here now, you guys are not gonna want to watch my other video. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot today. I just thought about it, and this is my day off. It's my only day off for the week, and it's sad. It saddens me. No days off, and I need to put some lip gloss on or something because my lips looking pretty horrible. So we're gonna set this thing up on the tripod and get this thing going. I forgot to show you guys what the stuff that I had already put out here. So I actually took a lot out my room already. My chair, my teddy bear. I'm about to get a new one of these too, by the way. I gotta order it. And my water, my Pop-Tart, and little snacks in there, and everything else, that's just giveaways, stuff that I'm giving away. So I finally finished that part, that part, like that part. So yeah, I finally finished that part. Now I have other parts to do. I gotta move this bed. Hopefully this goes smooth and easy and fast and quick, because I ain't got time to be here all day. Y'all know that though. I look crazy. But don't mind me. Don't mind my hair. Don't mind my scarf. I still ain't get my hair done. See, look. Spending all this money on everything else but my hair and my face and my eyebrows and stuff. But I still be looking good though. I still got a natural pretty face, and even though my eyebrows is not done, they're still on fleek. Period. Say what you want. Say what you want. Say what you want. But I'm still that bitch. Don't get fucked by none of that shit. By none of that shit. I leave a bitch mad with a stuck face. Who the fuck I was playing with? Finally just got done successfully cleaning up my room and moving it around like I wanted to, but there's still some things I have to work on. Like I gotta get new bed sheets to match that, which I'm going to Walmart for today. And then I gotta get I want a whole new room set. Basically I want new curtains, new bed set. I need, you know, some extra things, but other than that, it's not perfect, but hey, it is what it is. I got the main part out of the way, which is getting my vanity over here and putting my tapestry up and just straightening up a bit because it was horrible in here. It was horrible in here, you feel me? So yeah, but yeah, that's basically it. There's nothing more, nothing less. I love this tapestry right here. I'm gonna be taking a lot of pictures near it, so if you guys don't follow me on IG, you should follow me now because my pictures will have that in the background, most of them. And I have still so much work to do, but that's just what I wanted to do for the video. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, me doing the basic stuff. And if you made it to this part, thank you very much for watching my videos. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification button because your girl be dropping bangers, okay? I'll be dropping bangers, like low-key. I'm really underrated. I'm underrated as fuck, but I drop bangers. I really do. I promise you I do. Because I know I'm not boring. Because I can watch myself all day. So guys, I just came from Walmart. And this is the finished product of the room. Since I got the new things from Walmart. So I'm gonna show you guys with the light on. You know, it is really cute. I feel like I did a really good job. So I went with like this purple and black theme to go with the tapestry. So what I got is like this purple, it's like a suede purple type of color, and then it came with those pillows, and then I brought this separate, this sheer like little throw-on blanket separate, and then I got these curtains, and I like everything that I had got from Walmart, and I also got this, you know, but I like everything, and the room came out perfect, came out really cute, and I just love it. I still have some touch-ups that I want to do to the room, but all that will happen next time or whatever. You guys will see my room just upgrade and keep upgrading as the time goes by. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys this. I got me a little calendar. so that way I can keep up with my days and keep track and everything. I got everything from Walmart, so I'm loving the new room. I'm really feeling it. I always loved and wanted to, you know, redecorate my room or whatever. Yeah, that's just what I do. And so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.